Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This time we're going to submit an entry to the Mr. John Fix's Pocket Toolbox Challenge. So I put together a little box of tools, and let's get right into it. Here we go. This is my answer to Mr. John Fix's Pocket Tool Kit Challenge. You need a pretty big pocket to put this in, but it will go in a pocket. So this is a pocket tackle box that belonged to my dad. He was quite a fisherman, and he apparently bought this at Lehman's Cycle and Sporting Goods in Bartlesville, Oklahoma, probably back in the 50s sometime. So here's what I got in it. I put some paper towels in the bottom and the top just to keep things from rattling around so much. Plus, paper towels are very useful. So let's see. This is a flashlight that, it's not an LED flashlight, but it's really a neat little flashlight because you can focus it, and it's got a on-off switch. My daughter gave me this many years ago. Here's a piece of cord. It's kind of like paracord, only it's a lot smaller. I believe I bought this for a stringing duck decoys together a long time ago. Here is a little tape measure. Some of this stuff's pretty old. Some of it's not, but this is a Boy Scout knife. Now, he said no multi-tools, but I suppose you could call this a multi-tool. This was my Boy Scout knife when I was in Boy Scouts a long time ago. So this has a special meaning to me. And there's some tools in there that you can use. There we go. This is a little set of pliers. I got these somewhere. I don't remember where. But they work. I mean, you're not going to be loosening any head bolts or anything with it, but they do in a pinch for something small. Here is a little Powercraft adjustable wrench that works awesome. So put that right here. A pair of tweezers is always handy. Here's a Sears flat blade screwdriver. There's a Phillips head screwdriver and a little stubby flat blade screwdriver. It's a little bit bigger blade than this one. This, I don't know if I'm cheating by by having a multi-tool. I suppose you could call it the multi-tool, but it's a kind of a card-sized thing that has some tools in it. It's got a bottle opener. This is sort of a little thing you could use maybe to loosen a small hex nut. This can be used as a can opener right here, and a magnifier. The magnifier could be very useful if you wanted to start a fire. It says stainless steel. Don't know where it was made. Don't know. Anyway, I've had it for forever, and I think it's kind of neat. So we'll put that right there. And then paper clips. They're always very useful for all kinds of things. You can bend them into different shapes. And they're just useful items to have. Here's a safety pin. Put that right there. And a couple of straight pins. There's another one in here somewhere, I think. There it is. Safety pin and straight pins. So, there's my little answer to the challenge, Mr. John Fix's challenge for a pocket toolbox. So, it's kind of fun putting it together, and it's, you know, you can get a lot of stuff. I could have gotten more stuff in there, to tell you the truth. So, there you have it, my friends. Well, there's my submission to the John Fix Pocket Toolbox Challenge. It was kind of fun putting a little toolbox together, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll leave me a comment, and thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye now.